Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing cute pineapple nail arts. We are starting off with a base coat. For the pineapple color, we're using this Avon Limoncello color. Now we're drawing half a circle, or no, just halfway like this. Make sure you use 2 coats. We're doing the second coat. Now for the leaves, I'm gonna use Olive Kelly from Orly. Gonna start from right down the middle. Also for the leaves, we're going to use this a Soccer for Green from Cupcake Polish. Oh my god, this is hard. Just like the shadow parts, the darkest one, and then the lightest is up front. I like this color better for this. Look at those cute pineapples. Now, to give this pineapple the last details, we're going to use this Cupcake Polish in Not My Vault. We're going to do some triangles. Let's see how it comes out. This closer. I want to twist my nail here. I'm going to twist my hand. Gosh, my nail. So I could see what I'm doing. We're going to start with a triangle up top. Let's see how it goes. I'm already shaking. And a triangle on this side. If you want it to be more, professional, it looks better, the triangles are in the spots that they're supposed to be, then just add, like when you're on this stage, just add a top coat, wait till it fully dries, and grab some striping tape or any one that you can, and just put it diagonal and the other way, and then you know what I mean, and do the triangles better. Oh my god, what a cute pineapple. Now do that to the rest of the nails. Oh my god, that came out huge. Who likes pineapples? I love them. I like when they're sour, but then my mouth starts hurting and I keep on eating them anyway. I did not like how this one came out. Come on, you start, oh my god, you start good and then it gets worse and worse. Let's see it like that. On my first nail, I was so confident. And instead of getting better, I'm getting worse at it. Oh gosh, what happened here? No. Let's fix that. Let's fix that. Next time, I'll definitely do it with the tape. I think it's a little bit easier like that. Now let's wait so they could dry. Now let's finish off with a top coat. Here are the final results. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, share with friends, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!